Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have an octopus sashimi with a Peruvian touch. All ingredients below in my info box. So right here I have the all ingredients, so you're gonna need cooked octopus, lemon juice, ginger juice and zest of ginger, Peruvian yellow chili paste, sesame oil, and soy sauce. First, we are going to chop our octopus in a diagonal way. It's better. In thin slices, please. I chopped in circular and tiny pieces because my octopus was very small. Now let's prepare our sauce. I'm gonna be adding the Peruvian yellow chili paste. If you want more chili, just add more. Then I'm gonna add the ginger juice and a little bit of zest. Now let's squeeze the lemon. I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame oil and soy sauce to taste. Mix it up. And let's try it a little bit. Guys, this is excellent. Guys, we are ready to serve. In a plate or a glass container, I'm going to place the octopus, and in a small cup I have the sauce. Guys, you have to try this recipe and please let me know if you like it. My uncle from Peru gave me this recipe. Thank you, uncle. Guys, please, if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, and follow me on my social media. And it's time to invite something to my dog. Her name is Candy. She's my coton de Tuliar. She has own videos on Saturdays here on my channel, and every Wednesday she's with me in my recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.